The red-bellied woodpecker is native to the eastern United States and have expanded their range northward in recent decades, likely due to climate change and bird feeders. Despite the name, the red on their belly is often faint and hard to see. The most noticeable red is actually on their head, especially prominent in males. The red on their head can lead to confusion with the red-headed woodpecker, but the latter has an entirely red head, while the red-bellied woodpecker only has red on the top and back of the head. Their back has striking black and white horizontal stripes, earning them the nickname zebra-backed woodpecker in some regions. If you like this video, please follow for more.